Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host as always, but today we are here at the Cosmo in Las Vegas, guys. So to give you guys some interesting facts about the Cosmo, it is the most expensive casino and resort ever built in Las Vegas at $3.9 billion for the build cost. It opened December the 15th of 2010 with 3,027 rooms, and the biggest attractions here are Hidden Pizza, Wicked Spoon, and the Boulevard Pool. So we are on floor 3 where Hidden Pizza is. So I decided I will show you where Hidden Pizza is. So you come up the escalators right over there. Hidden Pizza, which is not so hidden because the secret's out, everybody knows about it, is going to be right over here to the right. So this is where your Hidden Pizza is, right down that long hallway is the little pizza joint that everybody talks about. This will be your way to the pool as well. So if you're wondering where the pool is at, it's up top. So you can check that out here as well. Are going to take you down to floor 2. Floor 2 will be like Wicked Spoon and other things like that. I also have a bunch of restaurant selection on second floor. I think Egg Slut is up here as well. There are a few different places as well, which we'll point out as we go through those here. But we were on floor 3. We're going to floor 2 now at the Cosmo. So they have a bunch of shops and things as well. So if you want to do some shopping, that's up on floor 2, as well as some restaurant selections as well. So we'll kind of take walk around floor 2 and then drop down to floor 1, take you on the casino floor, show you the big shoe, and then show you my favorite part of this casino resort is going to be the lobby. So I'll make sure that I bring you guys down there and show you the lobby because it is epic. I'm going to do some time lapse and some slow motion stuff in the lobby, so I think that would be really cool, and I think you all will enjoy that here. So straight ahead of us here is Egg Slut. They have Holstein's shake and buns up here as well. Block 16 is out over on the left-hand side. Egg Slut I've heard is really, really good, so if you haven't ate there, I definitely would have to recommend you to try it because from what I've heard, a lot of people say it's good. I haven't tried it just quite yet. That might be on the menu for tonight. There's also some Chinese food down this way. But anyway, I suppose, actually we'll go back around in the circle and take you down to floor 1 and do the casino floor. So we'll kind of start out by the front where the sports book is. Not only is the sports book down there as well, but they also have the giant shoe. Marquee Nightclub and Day Club is what that area over to the right was. You go off to the right, that will take you to Aria and the Skywalk Bridge to cross over to Planet Hollywood. Here's another one of the big shoes, but the big one that I was referring to was down the stairs. So we just took you guys in a big circle on floor 2 to kind of show you what was up here. And I'm going to take you down to floor 1, which would be your casino floor. Like we talked about, lobby check-in, players with card, cashier's cage is going to be down there, racing sportsbook is down there as well. I'll show you where you would go to get to the Wicked Spoon buffet when we come across that. They have the big chandelier here at the Cosmo as well. And a nice little bar that's down here. This bar is actually on all floors in that center part, so that's kind of cool. I don't know if you guys can see through all of the crystals and drapery that's hanging down there, but that's where that is. bar is also called the chandelier. So you guys know. So the big red shoe that everybody always takes a picture in. I always see girls always climbing this thing and get their picture taken, but Racing Sportsbook is straight down on your left-hand side. Some table games that are up here up front. What I'm seeing is 15 for the minimums on those guys. Blackjack 3-2 is almost non-existent anymore. It's mostly 6-5 because it gives the house a little bit better advantage over the player because it's a 6-5 payout instead of 3-2. So to give you an example of 6-5 and 3-2, and what that means is if you have a $10 bet down on the table and you hit a blackjack 3-2, you would get $15 back. You get your bet plus half. And if you're playing 6-1, you'll get $12 back. So you can see with the lower bets, it really doesn't make that big of a difference. But when you're raising your bet like blackjack, the name of the game, you get 21, and you raise your bets. That's what where it really takes its toll is when you're putting bigger bets down on the table. They have their own separate Players Club card here at the Cosmo. It is Identity. So if you guys are wondering what Players Club card here, it's their own special one. It's not Caesars, it's not MGM or anything like that. So they have their own special one. Craps tables over to my right. I was seeing 15.25 on those, but they are very, very busy right now. They have the high limit slots and high limit tables. The high limit tables is going to be over to my right hand side. The high limit slots is going to be up over here to the left. So you guys will be able to stop in there and do some higher limits than what you'll see out here. So when we talk higher limits, usually $100 minimums is on in there, if not a little bit higher than that. So up over on my left, like I was talking about, is going to be your high limit slots. So they have high card flush, alternate Texas Hold'em, blackjack, high golf, free bet, poker, war, a bunch of other ones too. But I think those were all minimums of 15 guys. The Cleat bar is up over to the left, so pick bar and lounge. More table games are in the front as well, so if you guys missed that when you came down by the red shoe, there's more table games up there. This in the back is mostly slots when you get towards the lobby. So if you guys want to play some slots towards the back of the casino, there's slots, and then also on the left-hand side where the Identity Players Club card is, that's where I like to play as well because those machines tend to do really well when I sit down here at the Cosmo, which I'm going to do here in a moment. As soon as I get done filming this, I'm going to throw some dollars with you all. So if you guys were able to meet me here in Las Vegas, that's awesome. If you guys missed me, maybe next time when I come out, I'll announce the trip so you guys know when we'll be out in the city next. And maybe you'll have your opportunity so we can get to do a meet and greet, maybe a group pull, do some gambling action for y'all. But over to my right here is going to be how you get up to the Wicked Spoon. So if you want to do the buffet, that's where you go to do so. So if you see those escalators over to the right, that would be the way to get to the Wicked Spoon. But now we're coming up on my favorite part here of this hotel and casino is actually the lobby. I love the way these lobby mirror things are. They're pretty sweet. Or video screens or whatever they are. So now you can see why I like this lobby. So on these pillars, they all change with this video thing. The people thing is kind of creepy. When they do the clocks and stuff, that's kind of cool. They have like clock gears and stuff that go through there, move up and down, so that is awesome to see as well. If you're taking rideshare, Uber, Lyft, or anything like a taxi, you can catch that straight up ahead. But anyway, I think this is where I will conclude this video for you guys today. If you guys like the video, be sure to give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to do so. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family so we can keep bringing more content like this from Las Vegas to you. But as always, guys, my name is Ryan. I will be your host on all these epic adventures. Until next time.